New PPE requirement. Your whole team needs to know before their shift. A mass email is technically an option. Creating a heads up is a better one. Link your document and require a signature. Then assign your team. And you're ready to publish. Heads up received. They open the document, read through it, and sign it. Then, and only then, they can acknowledge. Now let's create one. In this video, we'll cover creating a heads up on web, adding media and linking a file, creating from mobile, and tracking who's acknowledged your heads up. You'll need the heads up create permission and a full seat. To link files, you'll also need at least view access to the file. Ready? Let's go. Select heads up from the sidebar, or find it under more. Then create a heads up. Add your title and description. As you're working on your heads up, you'll see a live preview on the right. Now it's time to add media. You can add up to 6 media files: images, videos, PDFs, or documents. This time I want to link a file I already have in Documents, so my team can read it before they acknowledge. I want to make sure everyone signs off as a record of reading the file, so I'll toggle on Require Signature as well. Now assign the heads up. Select a group, a site, individual users, or a combination. I'll use our Line 3 morning shift group. If you need to share with people outside the platform, Share externally generates a link or QR code. Toggle on Request Acknowledgement, so your team has to actively confirm they've read it. Acknowledgement is required when a linked document requires a signature. You can also enable comments and reactions, so your team can engage directly. Not ready to send? Click back to save it as a draft, or use the arrow next to Publish to schedule it for a specific time. When you're ready, click Publish. You can also create heads-ups from the mobile app. Tap the plus icon. Select Create Heads Up. And fill in the details. Same flow, right from your phone. On mobile, you can also take a photo or record a video directly from your device and add it to the heads up. And once it's live, you can track acknowledgements to see exactly who's responded. In Heads Up, go to the Manage tab. Then open the heads up you want to track. You'll see who's viewed it, acknowledged it, and who hasn't even seen it yet. Need to follow up with the people that are ghosting you? Filter by status. Select Not Acknowledged. Then select All. Then send the reminder. Heads up sent, team notified, acknowledgement on record. Are you ready to be a Heads Up power user? Search Track Heads Up Engagement in the Help Center to measure acknowledgement rates across your whole org, not just one heads up. Head to help.safetyculture.com